book is a major source of inspiration and direction for any lawyer who considers solo practice or who wants to work at a small firm. In her engaging and insightful guide, Attorney Renee Bauer shares her experience with establishing her own solo practice, focusing on the role of the lawyer as entrepreneur and risk taker. In this book, you will find a range of practical topics to help you set up shop and maintain and grow your practice. She covers office management, business plans, marketing methods, and advocacy of being a lawyer. The ultimate guide to solo and small firm success is essential reading.
Welcome to Law First Publishing Theater. Today our guest is Renee Bauer. Renee is the author of the Law First Publishing bestseller, The Ultimate Guide to Solo and Small Firm Success. Welcome, Renee.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What inspired you to write this book?
Well, as I was opening my own law practice, I realized that running a law practice is more than about just being an attorney. It's actually about being a business owner. And as I was opening my practice, I had a lot of people that I could turn to and advisors to get advice from in order to set it up. I had wished that there was a concise guide that I could have referred to that would offer that information for me.
What is the biggest challenge that any solo practitioner faces?
Well, a solo practitioner has to wear many hats. One day the practitioner is a marketing director, a public relations consultant, a networking guru, an accountant, a rainmaker. All of these roles are equally important in the day-to-day management of running a small practice. And if any of those roles are neglected, then the practice could be missing a vital piece of a component to let the law practice flourish. So it's balancing all of these roles while also fulfilling the role as an attorney.
What kind of mistakes can solos make that really jeopardizes their careers?
Well, I think there's two big ones that I hear of when I talk to other solo practitioners. And one of them is not winging your finances. It's important to anticipate your budget and to allocate your budget appropriately so that you know what's coming in and you have a good idea of what's going out so that you can budget. So if there are slow months, your bills are still getting paid. I think the second mistake is billing all of your time and having a practice within your office so that invoices are going out on time, all the time. Overhead can't be paid unless your invoices are being paid, and I think it's important to pay attention to that and to accurately bill and capture all of your time.
There are many books out there that give advice to solo practitioners and members of small firms. What sets your book apart from the others?
Well, I know a lot of solo practitioners and small business owners often refer to and spend a lot of money on business consultants to help get advice as to different areas of the business. What I did was compile an expert panel from different industries to offer that advice in one guide. So for example, I have a networking guru in the book who advises on what to do to build your referral base to bring in clients, short-term and long-term. There's a couple individuals from a well-known Connecticut marketing firm who give advice on traditional versus non-traditional marketing as well as branding yourself. So I offer, the book offers advice from these individuals in one guide where other solo practitioners could spend a lot of money getting these advice from these people as they try to put their business together and try to grow their business.
Great. Now I also know that it comes with a CD, and you have a lot of forms that are very helpful to solo practitioners and small firm people working in small firms. Could you just give an idea what kind of materials on those forms?
Oh, there's any samples you could possibly need, from the first day you open shop to even being in practice 10 years. Retainer agreements and sample checklists for what you need to set up your office, engagement letters, closure letters, anything that you could possibly need to run your business. There's probably a sample form in there.
Great. Renee, thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you.
And thank you for being with us at Law First Publishing Theater. And good night.